Welcome to my brand new training video coming to you from Clickbank Success channel. In this video, I am going to show you a basic info of affiliate marketing for Clickbank for beginners, teaching you, showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing, especially with Clickbank. It's very, very easy, my friend. You just need to change your mindset. If you believe it's easy, it's going to be easy for you. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can start making money with Clickbank or any other affiliate network as a beginner. It's very simple. So step one is what you do is you go to Clickbank and you create your free account. It's absolutely free. Just create your free account and verify your account. And once you have come into Clickbank, you just go to the Clickbank marketplace. All right. And there are so many categories down here. You want to choose a product. So you could choose so many. The best one is e-business, e-marketing, and health and fitness. Or you could just go here and just click on here, and it's going to come out with products that has the higher, I guess, the gravity score. So its highest gravity is this one here. It's a health and fitness product with 790, man. This guy's probably making millions and millions of dollars every single month by selling this product using Clickbank, because look at the gravity, 790.02. If you scroll down, this is another one, all to do with dental niche, 514.16. This guy's probably making over $1 million, over $1 million a month as well. So you could just choose any products you want. I'm normally into make money online, so I just go into e-business e-marketing and I will choose a product from e-business e-marketing. You could also use Digistore 24, Warrior Plus offers, or any other affiliate network. Once you have your product, you want to create a lead magnet page around that product. So a lead magnet page is something like this. You want to create a page like this. You could use free services, or you could also use paid services like lead pages, ClickFunnels, etc. I use ClickFunnels. So you want to create a lead magnet page around the product. So you want to have a title, you want to have a description, you want to have a box, and you're going to be driving traffic to this page here. I'm going to talk about traffic as well, so don't worry about that. Okay, so you're going to be driving traffic to this page. Okay, and you're not going to do direct linking because you're just going to lose business. So when you drive traffic, people are going to enter their email, they're going to hit submit, and they're going to be redirected to your offer, affiliate offer. It could be Clickbank offer, it could be any offer. They're going to be redirected. Most likely, if everything is congruent and you are getting very high quality responsive traffic, you should see a couple of sales before even they see your email follow-ups. All right. But if you don't worry. You have your email follow-ups kicked in. You're going to start sending out emails. So what you're doing, you're building a list. The money is in the list, my friend. The bigger list you have, the more money you're going to make. I've been saying this for months and years. Some people perhaps took action, some people haven't. And whoever took action, they're probably on their way making multiple 4 or 5 figures. And whoever hasn't taken action, they're still jumping from one side to the other side, looking for that magic button where they could just push that button and start making money. I am sorry to say, but that doesn't exist. All right. So you need to start building a list. You need to create a lead magnet page. All right. And create that lead magnet page, start driving traffic, start building a list, and then start promoting offers to your list. All right. And to build that list, you need a lead magnet page. You could use a free service to create these free lead magnet pages. I use a paid service called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels do come with a free 14-day trial. If you want to join ClickFunnels through me, my link is going to be in the description box below this video. All right. And then once you start driving traffic to a page like this, then you're going to start building a list. You're going to get to 500, then 1,000, then 5,000, then 10,000 subscribers. You're going to get 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 subscribers. And then you could start emailing your list on a regular basis. Just stay tuned, because I'm going to come up with a very good quality buyer traffic source I'm going to give you on this video that you can start using to build a list of quality subscribers and start making quality amounts of sales. All right, so let me show you the power of list building. Once you have a list, then you could just blast an offer straight to your subscribers and start receiving free email traffic over and over and over again, promoting different type of offers. So I've got one offer down here, and I'm going to just send out an email quickly to my list. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select the segment that I want to send this list to. So let's just select the date today. It is, okay, there you go. And then I'm going to click on apply. I'm going to click on send message now, and I'm going to click on send now. Look how easy that was. I just sent that email out to thousands and thousands of subscribers because I know I have a list, and I built a list using two things. One is a lead magnet page, and one is traffic, quality traffic. Okay, there's another program as well if you want to join that program. Okay, and that is this program here. You could send an email out using their system as well. With this program, you don't need to actually go out there and start using paid traffic. You don't need to build a funnel, and you don't even need a third-party autoresponder. They give you 100 leads daily, all right, and you could start emailing those leads. So look, let me just show you my statistic down here. As you can see, I've been emailing to my list nearly every day. So far I have 8,900 leads. All right, as you can see, look at this one. I sent this email out just yesterday and I got 179 clicks. Okay, so this is the power, all right? So you could email these people and start making potential sales. Now, this system gives you 100 leads every single day into your account. Now, you can join this if you want to join through my link, all right? You can join this through my link as well, in the link in the description box below this video, or what you can do is you could just go to this page here, all right? It's called, okay, let me just put that in here for you. Okay, so here it is. This is the link, my link. If you go through my link, all right, if you want to join through my link, then here's the link. You could join through my link and start getting 100 leads every day, and then you can promote offers to these 100 leads every single day. All right, so this is the link. All right, so let's talk about traffic. Traffic is very, very important. If you don't get quality traffic, if you don't know how to get traffic, you don't expect yourself to make money. You need quality traffic, and I'm going to give you a quality traffic source in this video where you can start getting buyers with track record that they have purchased a product. Now remember, a person who has purchased a product is most likely going to purchase more products in future. There's a big difference between a person who's a buyer and a person who's a freebie. A freebie is a person who doesn't want to pull his credit card out, doesn't want to pull his debit card out, he doesn't want to spend a single dime, he's just looking for free stuff. A buyer is a person who's already purchased a product and is willing to buy more and more stuff. That's how it works, okay? So I'm going to show you a buyer traffic source, and you can get traffic from that source. If you want to go through my link, then here's the link here. The link is going to be in the description box below this video as well. When you go to this website address, you're going to come to this traffic source. It's called the Solo Monkey traffic. All right, so let me scroll down and let me show you the package. Look at the testimony this guy has, and I have purchased a lot of traffic from this guy, thousands and thousands and thousands of clicks, and I am quite impressed and happy with this guy's traffic. Okay, he has a very good quality traffic source, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to show you the packages that he has. Has three types of packages: gold package, US package, buyer package. I recommend buyer package and US package. You could purchase gold package, but majority of the traffic that I purchase is from these two packages. All right, now he has very good quality traffic. Now if you have the money and you can invest, I recommend going for the buyer package, because buyer package means you're getting traffic from only those people who have purchased at least one product on the internet. That means you are building a list of real buyers. And remember, when a person is a buyer, he's most likely to buy in future as well. All right, so you could buy buyer traffic from this guy. Okay, if you're just getting started as a beginner, always start off with 300 to 500 clicks. All right, and then you could scale yourself up to 2,000 clicks over and over and over again. Now the way to do business is, you don't expect to break even and even be in profit in the beginning. When you buy 300 clicks, remember, you're not paying 300 clicks to become a millionaire. You're paying 300 clicks to build a list of quality subscribers. All right, so if you just make one or two sales, that's even better, that's even good. even though you didn't break even, even though you didn't get profit. All right, so you bought 300 clicks, then you want to buy 500 clicks, then you want to buy 750 clicks. Remember, the focus is list building, not making money, and you want to keep on doing that until you get your list up to at least 10,000 subscribers. And then after that, once you get to that 10,000 subscribers, if you're doing everything the way it's supposed to be done, in the correct way, you should start to see money coming your way. All right, that's how easy it is. All right, and then you should have enough money to reinvest back into your business. Okay, so let's scroll down, and then you want to continue to buy 2,000 clicks over and over and over again until you see that you have basically smashed this guy's traffic and he doesn't have enough to provide you. That's how it works. That's how you scale your business. A lot of people, what they do, they will buy 300 clicks and they will expect to make millions. They don't. They start blaming the traffic. So this is a scam, this doesn't work, it's all rubbish, and this and that, and they give up. All right, and that's the reason why 99% people fail online, and that's the reason why 99% people don't make a single dime, because they don't have the business mindset. It doesn't work like that. You have to buy $300 worth of traffic. Remember, the focus is list building, and then you scale your way up. You're not wasting money, even though you're not making money, but you're not wasting money because you're building a list, you're getting quality leads and quality subscribers, all right? So you're going to continue to buy traffic over and over and over again, okay? And you could combine your traffic as well, so buy 2,000 clicks from the buy package and then have another lead magnet page with another list and buy 2,000 clicks from the US package and combine it with different offers. See which one's giving you better opt-in, see which one's giving you a sale. If it gives you anyone that's giving you a sale, go for that. Smash it and start getting quality amounts of leads and subscribers and responsive lists. So this is a premium buyer traffic source, my friend. Normally the top gurus don't share these type of stuff on the internet, all right? But I am just sharing it, and I'm telling you that I have purchased thousands of clicks from this traffic source and I'm giving it to you, all right? So if you want to buy this traffic through my link, there, here's the link here. Just go to this address. You can find more information, watch the video, watch the testimonials, look at the images, look at the results that people are getting, and start purchasing traffic and scale your business. That means persistent is the key to success, my friend. What you need to do is, when you purchase traffic, you need to keep on purchasing traffic over and over again. Just purchasing 300 clicks and then for 2 months, 3 months, you don't purchase traffic. Remember, you're not going to become a businessman. You're not even going to make, not even $100, forget thousands, all right? When it comes to business, you have to be persistent, and persistent is the key to success. So you keep on buying traffic over and over again, focus on list building and grow your list. The bigger list you have, the more money you're going to make potentially. All right, so this is how it all works. The links are going to be in the description box below this video as well. By the way, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will really appreciate it if you smash that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get all my future video updates. And also stay tuned, because I'm going to come up with some good videos in the near future as well. And leave a comment if you have any kind of questions, so I can answer all your questions. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next video.